ini.
Right, wow, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Right, I'm Redneck today. Even though we don't have the best teacher, one word today, want visiting here, like as usual, want to chat about English. But you know, every single week, I'm visiting here and met the best people worldwide. Then with Mami Hanifa, want to learn English today. Alright, my planning this year first, I have focused for learning the languages. Now I have focused for learning like Spanish. You know what? This is my dream to going abroad. Then to making connection with people for example in the United States is my dream. This year, if I have an opportunity, I can master in Spanish like a foreign language. And then second, my plan this year, I focus for like YouTube content. You know that this very totally awesome for me. YouTube content like promoting Aceh 5 countries, Europe, Africa, United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Asia. I have invite a lot of tourists visiting Aceh. This is my dream. As to this guide, I will preparing, my ability, and then my expectation, and then how way to, in the field, to follow a lot of people, tourists, what, share something about history about Aceh. I have to preparing about that. And then the last, I have no idea why every single time I have to invite a lot of people who want to learn English, doing real English here. I have no idea, no one to learn English. Is it important or not? I have no idea about that. From this in the end of the day, not only people but also animals can speak English, including Mongols can speak English. Every single time I learn every single people, including my friend. Invite those people who want to learn English. Invite those people who want increase their English. Not only women but also the men who want to learn English today. Visiting at Lamyan Cafe every Sunday afternoon at City 100 here. That's my dream. That's my planning. Talking about tourism, not only in Aceh but also in Asia, Europe, United States, Middle East. Tourism, getting down. That's because hit by COVID-19. But talking about tourism, there is now no tourist visiting Aceh exactly. So I have been preparing my ability to learn like Spanish, Esperanto, English, and then to invite a lot of people who are visiting Aceh. That's my time. It's been around. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.